You know, the number one question I get asked, where can I find a brand new home with quartz counters and a 9-foot ceiling without spending $400,000 or leaving the Charlotte area? I found it. I'm Matt Morano with Realty One Group Revolution, and today we're at Grant's Landing by Century Communities in Salisbury with tree-lined lots and homes starting in the low 300,000s. Let's take a look. Besides those 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and kitchen quartz countertops, standard features include fiber cement siding, so there's no vinyl here, brick or stone accents, Bermuda sod yards, and extensive in-home automation features. Century Communities is building 253 homes here at Grant's Landing. You can choose from 9 floor plans with homes up to just over 2,700 square feet. And remember, all priced in the 300,000s. The model we're looking at today is the Harding. Now, if you need space and flexibility, pay attention. This home features a bedroom and a study on the main level. So whether you have a guest who hates stairs or just need a quiet office for those Zoom calls, this layout is incredibly functional. Grant's Landing is just a few miles from downtown Salisbury, and to get to Charlotte, you head down I-85, and it's about a 45-minute ride into Uptown. So, what do you think? Would you buy here or go a different direction for the same price? Well, if you're considering new construction anywhere in, say, Salisbury, Mooresville, or the Charlotte, Lake Norman areas, I can help you compare builders and make sure you're making the right call. And a quick tip before you visit any sales office. Many builders offer compensation to buyer's agents. And when that's the case, you typically won't pay anything out of pocket for my help. And it does not increase the price of your home. The key is bringing in your agent before you sign anything. My info is below. Reach out anytime. Thanks for watching, and check out these 2 videos next.